Hi guys, welcome to Where's Jade channel. I thought I would spend a few minutes today making a video on how to pack light or how to pack compactly for a couple weeks travel. So I don't know how long I'm going to be there for exactly. I'm just going up north for like a week or two to see how it goes. So I'm going to show you how to pack light. So let's have a look. So my video is having a few problems loading, turning around. So I'll show you what I've got so far. If you can see this. So basically, some of my stuff here is like vacuum packs at the moment. So I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, that's pretty much that at the moment. Let's have a look. So I'm just going to turn the video the other way. So it's basically, I've got this t-shirt first of all, which is obviously folded. So what I'm doing here is to make some space. So yeah, these are like t-shirt bags at the moment, which I kind of, cause what happened was that when I was ordering some clothes online, basically I actually was sent some clothes in like a vacuum pack bag, so that's quite useful really. So I can like use them a bit more really. So yeah, basically makes traveling a little bit easier. So yeah, so I'm kind of organising things. So I have like obviously clothes for underneath the t-shirts go in like one bag. T-shirts, you could fold them up, so they look a little bit like this. Hang on. Sorry about this. So I don't know if you can see that, but some of my t-shirts are folded up, and let's turn this around. This bag has got some socks in it. So yeah, so basically I could fit about maybe 10 about 10 pairs of socks in that bag. So yeah, it's not too bad really. So yeah, basically, because at the moment I'm not doing much video editing because yeah, I'm just making the channel a bit better really. And yeah, so obviously once I actually start to edit properly, get more subscribers, then sure, I shall yeah, make the videos look really good. So yeah, basically I'll just show you what I'm actually taking out the wardrobe. So these were just t-shirts here. The trousers basically. So yeah, so many things have actually come in the suitcase at the moment. So yeah, that's kind of like a simple way of how to vacuum pack items really. So yeah, it's quite good really. Yeah, also I'll show you some important things as well. So move out of the way. Okay, so I've also got these for winter gloves as well. They're very useful too. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's just a bit of a quick guide on how to kind of pack small items into a small space. So these bags will actually be very good if you are packing for cabin like luggage or it's like a small bag. So yeah, so in the next few weeks I shall be creating content for example, when I go to Southeast Asia. Yeah, I shall be making more videos for that. So yeah, so I hope this is not too much of a bad video, but yeah, I'm still relatively new to YouTube and everything like that. So yeah, it's what can I say? I'm showing just a few tips. So okay, any questions? Pop them down in the comments. Let me know. See how it goes, and I shall be updating the channel every other day. Thanks for watching.